Here we will write a Python program to read set elements and print sum and average of that element. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define empty set, then we will accept number of elements for the set. So n equal to int input, enter number of elements. Then we will declare one integer variable I which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will accept the element from the user. So e equal to int input, enter element, and then we will add this element to set1 dot add e, and we will increase the I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then first we will print the original set elements as print set1. Then to calculate sum of set elements, we will use sum function. So s equal to sum set1, and to calculate average we will use s divided by n, since n are the number of elements for the set. And then we will print the sum and average. So sum of set elements as s, and print average of set element as a. Then we will save it. Then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number of element. I will give 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print set elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sum of set elements as 15 and average as 3.